dito kami nag-park. Nandun yung coffee shop. Mutot ka ba? Ganda ng mga rooftop nila. May isa pang aso. Hi! You're so cute! Hey guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. Pupunta kami ngayon sa coffee shop. Alas 10, mga 10. When are we leaving? 10?
We'll leave in like, 20 minutes.
O, tapos imimit namin yung mga kaano niya sa Instagram. Yung mga sa group chat nila, yung mga nag-off-road, gano'n. So, mamimit natin yung mga AFAM na yun, So, pupunta kami doon. Kasama din si Justin. And hindi ko alam kung kasama yung asawa niya. Pero pagkatapos noon, pupunta kami ng yung bahay na tinitignan namin ni Travis online. Titignan namin siya yung niya, yung lugar. And yung neighborhood, So, we'll see ya! Nandito na kami, guys. Ayan, dito kami nag-park. Nandun yung coffee shop. Mutot ka ba?
No! No!
Open the window!
No! I did not.
Vlog ko pa, Travis. Tapos pupunta kami doon, maglalakad kami. Kasi wala ata parking yun. Parking space doon. Bastos talaga to si Travis. Hindi ko ako nasan kami. Nasa Greenbrier ata kami. So tara, samahan nyo kami Tatry ko mag-vlog kasi syempre nahihi ako mag-vlog.
It's down there, but I don't think we can.
Hindi, first time namin sila mami-meet. Never pa namin sila na-meet. So meron si Travis parang group chat sa mga off-roaders, mga ganon. Tapos dito sila mag-meet. Diba? Magko-coffee, lang daw. Para makita lang yung mga truck nila, yung mga sasakyan nila, Okay, so, let's game.
No tooting.
No tooting yan. Huwag ka uutot talaga. Yan kami. Ito ata mga condo ata to dito Diba? Yeah, it's very nice.
Maybe.
Mr. Farter.
No.
Mr.
That
Farter.
could have been you.
What?
Could have been you. You're sneaky.
Look. I'm sneaky.
Oh, you're sneaky about it. You even made a video.
Ha?
You even made the TikTok about you starting.
Gawa daw ako ng video. Where are they?
I don't know.
Are we the first,
Probably.
Lagi kasi ito siya maaga. Lagi siyang maaga
Everyone always
pupunta.
says at 10 o'clock, and it's 10 o'clock. It's 10:02.
Yeah, because you're always early everywhere we go. Like,
I'm not early. I'm on time.
liar. American time talaga siya. Kasi marami din dito mga Amerikano. Pag sinabi mong ganong oras, hindi talaga sila parang Pilipino din. Parang mga Pinoy din. Ilang minutong late. Pero hindi naman super tagal ng iba dito ng mga Pilipino. Ang gaganda ng mga building dito, ang tataas. Parang Makati.
Makati.
Parang it looks like
Makati.
Makati
Express?
area. No, Makati area in the Philippines.
Oh.
Kasi matataas yung building and looks like Manila. Is this the...
Yeah, right here.
Dito na tayo. Dito na tayo. Yeah.
Oh, what kind of coffee do you want?
I can put this in my... Ito yung coffee shop nila.
Peanut butter, chocolate, and vanilla.
Oh, peanut butter?
Sounds good.
Yeah. Andito na kami, guys, pero wala pa sila and my husband didn't know that they will start at 11. So what are we gonna do? We'll just eat breakfast here and then we'll go. Huh?
Look for houses. Look at houses.
Ang ganda ng coffee nila dito.
Coin bag.
Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, you need that. So, mag-breakfast muna kami dito. Babalik na lang ata kami mamaya kasi pupunta kami sa houses dun sa lugar na pupuntahan namin sa bahay, mga bahay.
A few moments later.
A nice new house.
Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa isang pinuntahan namin. Ang ganda! Super ganda ng bahay. Ayan. Hindi pa kami pwedeng mag-tour or pumasok. Kailangan mag-ask ka ng permission para makapag-tour kayo sa loob, ano. So, inas namin yung real tour kung available pa ba to. Kasi available siya sa website. So, dinoble check namin kung available pa. Super ganda niya. And nakita namin yung interior. Ang ganda. Sobrang, parang ang ano talaga, aliwalas. Inano ata nila, ni-renovate ata nila to.
Yeah, it's nice.
Diba?
I'll drive 30 minutes for that.
Oo, it's worth driving if
Yeah.
your house is like this.
Yeah, it's nice. This is a nice area.
Yeah,
And
look
it's,
at that houses here.
It's Chesapeake, so you know it's more country here.
Yeah. Di basta-basta yung mga bahay nila dito sa part na to. Magaganda,
We're gonna
malalaki
go
yung
look at
bahay.
the-
Kaso, medyo malayo lang siya sa work namin. Kailangan lang talaga siyang i-drive. Baka, hindi ko alam kung bibili namin yon or kung available pa siya, kung magustuhan talaga namin, kung makita din namin yung loob, tawag nito, gagawa namin ng paraan kung doon pa rin ako mag-work sa Walgreens sa work ko ngayon or maghanap ako ng ibang work malapit dito. So, si Travis, kailangan niya mag-drive ng 32 minutes from the house. Kung ito yung ano namin ako, kung sakali lang, pero sana. So, si Yahweh na bahala, si Lord na bahala. Kung will ni Lord na yun yung maging house namin, di ba? So, bahala na. And babalitaan namin kayo. So, pupunta kami sa next na titignan namin. Where is that?
For what?
Are we going to the coffee shop now?
No, we're going to go to Portsmouth now.
Okay. So, pupuntahan pa namin yung isa pang bahay. Tignan namin kung ano itsura ng neighbor. Kasi ang tinitignan talaga namin yung mga kapitbahay, kung maganda yung lugar, kung safe ba yung lugar na, kung medyo okay yung place, no? Kasi dito sa lugar namin, city siya, and marami din kasi dito talagang mga, di mo masabi, yung basta may mga crime na
This one was only like
yung
5
may mga nag-a-addict din, mga ganun. Alam nyo na, mga nagtitake ng ganun. Kaya medyo very careful talaga kami ni Travis sa paghahanap at saka sa lugar. Kasi ito si Travis maselan din to pagdating sa kapitbahay. Ayaw niya na maingay, ayaw niya nung ano. Basta yun. So, tsaka hindi rin kasi basta-basta yung presyo, di ba? Kailangan i-check nyo talaga maigi. So, we'll see. Guys, nakakasad. Nabili na agad, in contract na agad yung bahay na tinignan namin. Kasi, chinat ni Travis yung realtor, sabi niya, I'm sorry, ano na siya, in contract na agad. Diba, ang bilis, super fast. Kahapon lang namin yung tinignan, tapos naka-in contract na agad ngayon. Kumbaga, meron nang bibili talaga. Nakakasad, kasi ang ganda nung ano talaga, ang ganda nung bahay. Tapos, ang ganda pa nung lugar. Ewan ko, next naman na pupuntahan namin is sa Portsmouth. And then, what is that? Portsmouth? And then, meron pa kaming isang pupuntahan after nun. Tacoma?
Here, Travis, let me show you this one.
This is Justin's truck. Nakalift na. Lift.
You see, there's like a little bit of separation.
Ang daming sasakyan dito ngayon. Kung meron silang meeting, here. Naka-lift na din siya. Lifted. Kasi nagpa-lift din to si Travis. Nice. They got some police here. Oh, look at that. That's nice. That's really nice. Look at that.
Yeah. Ours is gonna be like big like this. You can stand right up in there.
Look at that. May namit kaming aso. Yeah. You want selfie? Oh, ang cute niya, oh. So behave. Dito na kami. Ang daming sasakyan. Nainggit si Travis sa...
I don't know. No, they might be so.
Ganda ng mga rooftop tent nila. Hala, look at that dog!
Joe.
Oh,
Justin.
uh-huh.
It's my wife Jessa.
Hello, nice to meet you.
You're coming up to Union Springs with us? I got the NASCAR race.
Look at that dog. Ang cute ng dog.
That's right, you told me to do. I'll do that.
Gusto ko siya ipet. Dami pang parating na sasakyan. Meron ako nakitang Bernese Mountain Dog doon.
Or they might do it like this. Come up, it'll replace this head.
It's a lot of cutting to do.
I wouldn't do the cut out.
No, I'm not. I'm just saying I'm not gonna fuck with it until after the warranty's all done. Because once I get slightly bigger, hey, what's up, man?
Ayun yung aso. Ay, may aso! May aso pang isang puti. Ang cute!
Conducting the welfare check.
Gusto ko yung Bernese Mountain Dog. Ang laki.
Yeah, one.
May isa pang
Oh,
aso.
dude,
Ay, you're so cute!
Yeah, one of my
So
buddies has a
big.
diesel Colorado.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so
What you doing?
Generation.
What you
he will
doing?
not let that thing go. Is that Land Cruiser? It's a GX.
Ang daming cute na aso dito. Oo, babe mo naman.
It's a fucking hell of a. But yeah, dude, for the cost of that thing, you might as well just wait for a bumper. I think that thing.
You're right, they're
shipped-
like 1,200 out
I
there.
mean, that one was like 16 and some change. Yeah. So yeah, honestly.
Hi guys! Nandito na ako ngayon sa bahay. Pumasok pala ako kaninang hapon. And tomorrow morning, pupunta kami dun sa house na titignan namin tomorrow, early morning.
8:30.
Papakita namin sa inyo. Baka gawan ko ng next video yun. Ano?
We'll see how it is.
Yep. And so yun, balitaan namin kayo. Thank you guys for watching our video. Thank you for subscribing. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Thank you so much. See you again next time. Bye! Say bye-bye, Kinsley! Bye, everyone! Hey, look, maldita! Bye, guys!